Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this session, we'll learn how to calculate the sum of a sequence defined as n plus n divided by 2 plus n divided by 4 plus n divided by 8 and so on and so on for a positive integer n using integer division. This is a great example of using loops and arithmetic operations effectively. Let's begin. The goal is to calculate the sum of a series where each term is derived by dividing the previous term by 2, with only the integer part of the division being considered. For example, for where n is 8, the series is 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, which gives you 15. For when n is 26, the series is 26 plus 13 plus 6 plus 3 and plus 1, which gives you 49. This ES5 implementation works as follows. We first initialize a sum variable sSum to 0. We then use a loop to repeatedly add the current value of n to the sum. We then update n by dividing it by 2 and discarding the remainder using Math.pow. And finally, we stop when n becomes 0 and return the sum. Here's how it works. The program uses a loop to repeatedly add the current value of n to a sum. Then it reduces n by dividing it by 2. This continues until n becomes 0. The final sum is then returned. Let's break down some examples. For where n is equal to 8, the values added to the sum are 8, 4, 2 and 1, resulting in 15. For where n is equal to 26, the values are 26, 13, 6, 3 and 1, resulting in 49. The ES6 version is functionally identical to the ES5 version, but uses more modern JavaScript syntax, including array functions and block scoped variables with let. Here's an optimized solution of it. The program is already efficient with big O log n complexity because n is halved in each iteration. The code can be condensed further using a for loop for clarity. In summary, this program demonstrates how to calculate the sum of a halving series efficiently. It's an excellent example of how loops and arithmetic operations can be used to solve mathematical problems programmatically. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.